I would say it was my mom. She knew how much I liked, making music and just being around the music, that she felt like she actually pushed me towards dropping out in the first place and going and doing something that I really wanted to do. So, that's what she did. She did a lot of research into different schools, different things, see what they did, what was different about each one. And we found Recording Connection and thought like, wow, this is, it gets him hands on, it puts him in the studio. And that's the kind of learning that I am best with. When I can actually sit down and see things and, play around with them. So yeah, that was definitely the biggest thing. She was just pushing me towards trying to, do what I really wanted to do, just branch off and go be yourself, really. He teaches you like the personability of being in the studio, of being, the person in the chair, sitting down, you being the engineer. And then just sitting in on sessions with him, you get to see how he acts with his clients and everything. So, you kind of have a better idea as to how to go about certain things when, you're in certain situations and things like that. Gervais, he sent me that email just saying that NBeyond was looking for, some people, some new engineers. And I mean, within 15 minutes of me getting that email, I had already finished the application because I figured like this opportunity just got handed to me on a silver platter. How can I not take that? And how can I not be like, I have to be like the first person to put an application in. That was just my whole thought process. Just got to beat everybody to it. And I did. They called me back pretty quickly to set up that whole interview. Got in, sat down, talked with them, and it went really well. I was glad at how it went. And, I think it took maybe a week and a half. They called me back and, they offered me the job. And I was really excited about it. It was nice. So they have it titled as audio engineer. So, I'll be doing the recording, the mixing, the mastering, networking, I guess you could also say, trying to bring people into the studio, get, make money for everybody, just things like that. I would say definitely take advantage of the fact that you have all the resources you need, like on your computer essentially, because like that is your textbook, and I mean, you guys, you actually did a lot for like, I don't know if it was like 6 extra months or if it was like just that full year where I was able to like keep looking into, old chapters and things that I had already learned just to, go back. I would say definitely take advantage of, things like that. Take advantage of the people that you work with on, through the computer who will help you kind of point things out, because I actually did get a really good connection with the guy that I first started working with. We would make beats and he taught me more about the engineering aspect, the mixing. He would just show me a lot of different stuff, just a lot of different creativity, aspects. And we actually still do keep in touch. I told him about the job and everything. He was super excited for me. So, I mean, yeah, just being, very personable, looking back on old chapters, learning new things, just continuously.